Welcome to our lesson about the basic swept cut. In my graphic area, you see a plate. Let's right-click on the right plane, and let's insert a sketch. Now let's take a normal 2 view, and I'm going to drop a circle about here. Let's exit the sketch, and let's go to Shaded with Edges view, and take an isometric view. Let's insert another sketch on this face. Now let's activate the line tool. Select this point and place my line about here. Now a tangent arc and another line. Right-click and select to close the tool. Let's shift select and add tangency between the line and the arc. And let's exit the sketch. Now activate the Swept Cut tool. For this example, I'm going to use the Profile sweep. In our next lesson, we'll look at the swept cut in greater detail. The first thing to do is select a profile and then a path. Here's our profile. Now the path. And here's the preview in yellow. If you don't see the preview, try to decrease the diameter of the circle you've used for the profile, or maybe you don't have tangency between the lines and the arc of the path. Let's accept our cut sweep. And now let's edit our feature. I'm going to use a different path. Right-click in the Path selection box and choose Delete. And let's make a new selection. I'll take this edge. Let's expand Options and check Tangent Propagation. Now I'll select this edge. Even though we see a preview, the radius of this fillet here is too small. Most likely we're going to have problems with this swept cut. Let's accept and see what happens. And as you can see, I get rebuild errors. SOLIDWORKS basically failed to calculate the swept cut. Let's cancel out, and let's make some edits to fillet 1. Let's increase the radius value to, let's say, 40 millimeters. Accept. And now let's edit our cut sweep. Once again, I'm going to delete the existing path. And I'll select this edge. Options. Tangent propagation is checked. Let's select this arc. And now the preview looks better. Let's accept our work. As you see from this example, the profile of the sweep doesn't have to intersect with the path. And this concludes our lesson about the basic swept cut.